What up? What up? It's your boy Southern Smoke Boss back at it again. Hey, today I got some pork baby back ribs. I got them setting in a little vinegar, so I'm gonna go ahead and pour the vinegar off here. I'm back. So I'm gonna use a little of my favorite go-to dry rub. Check out the video about that if you ain't already heard about it. You know. So today I'm planning on frying these. I've been hearing everybody talk about it. So you know what? I said I'm gonna try it out. So I got some chicken bread right here. You just put in chicken bread, just like you would, you know. Do you? So I got my deep fry on 400. Go ahead and drop it in there. Fry just like we fry some chicken. I hope anyway. Pull these bad boys out. Look at that. Check that out. But that could be some good eating. Look at that. Just look at that. Yeah. I'm gonna finish up the last couple, and then I'm gonna come back with the end results of what I'm gonna have cooked up. Can't wait to see. Can't wait. Be back. Check it out, the final product. Look at it. I can't wait to bite into it. It'll be amazing. Let's go ahead and get one and try it out. Hopefully it ain't too hot. You see how they just pulled out the bone? No tub. Look at that. Pull clean straight out the bone. Look. That's good. I can taste the nice vinegar that I set it in. This is an easy, quick, you can do if you want to try it. I'm telling you, you must try this out. Hey, thanks for checking out this video. More videos coming soon next year. Hey, comment below what you want to see me coming up with next. So.
Subscribe and thank you for checking out Smoke Boss. Bye!